Hi everybody, Angel Medina here. Thank you so much for watching my video. On today's video, I'm going to go over how a VA loan works. So if you are a veteran, thank you for serving our country. And I want to just go over the key factors if you are looking to get into a VA loan or you know someone who does want more information about that loan. This video will definitely be helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're new here, I would ask that please consider subscribing. And if you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this video and have a great day. All right, so on today's video, I'm going to go over the VA loan and how it works. With the VA loan, it's a great government loan for veterans who are looking to buy a home or refinance. Now, we'll start off with the purchasing a home. If you're going to purchase a home, the benefits of a VA loan are you don't have to put in the down payment. Now, there are a lot of people out there who advertise a VA loan or lenders who tell you, yeah, you don't have to put anything down. But the fact is yes, you do not have to put the VA allows you not to have to put the down payment, but you do have to pay for third-party costs such as title, escrow, and any fees that may be involved with the loan. So if I'm talking with somebody, I usually calculate based upon the loan amount, depending upon how big it is. Let's say it's between 300 to 600. I'm going to calculate approximately 2.5% of the loan amount. If it's higher, I might estimate around 2%. So again, you have to take in consideration on the third-party costs. Now, there are times where if you are purchasing with a VA loan, and let's say the seller gives you a credit, then you could apply the credit towards any of the closing costs. So that is one way where you can get as close to nothing as far as coming into the table when you're getting a VA loan. The other thing about the VA loan is you want to ask about if you have a VA funding fee. Now, not everyone may be required to pay that. It depends on if you do qualify. The best way to see if you qualify or not, usually what I'll ask is, were you injured during your time you were serving? And if the answer is yes, and you're getting disability, whether you are or you're not, the best option is to go off of the worst case scenario. If the worst case scenario is, let's just go ahead and put the VA funding fee in there now, and once I get your DD-214, and I can go over both options if you're very adamant and you're sure, like, hey, I know for a fact that I'm going to qualify for that. The reason being is I always like to give you worst case scenario. So let's say that you're right, then great. Then you know the numbers based upon you not having to pay the VA funding fee. But let's say that it turns out the VA, because it's not the lender's decision, it's definitely out of our hands, where once we submit the DD-214, they actually will let us know if you qualify or not. Now, if it turns out that you don't qualify for the VA funding fee, then you're gonna also know what the numbers are based upon you including the VA funding fee. The great thing about the VA loan is that you don't have to have a monthly mortgage insurance. Again, you only have the upfront mortgage, the VA funding fee. And as far as anything else, it's just like any other loan out there. You can go a VA 30-year fixed. There are other types of VA loans. Primarily, I tend to do VA 30-year conventional fixed because with that great loan, there's really no reason to change it. If you want more information about that loan, as far as the do's and the don'ts, I definitely will go ahead and go over that in the next video. But on this video, I really just wanted to go over what are the benefits of the VA. So the benefits would be is that you don't have to put a down payment. So that is a benefit. The rate, I would say, more than likely is going to be better than a conventional or an FHA loan. And more than likely than a jumbo pricing. So your pricing is really good. Your interest rates tend to be, if not better, just about the same. But with VA loans, you tend to get a better VA interest rate. You tend to get a better rate using the VA loan. So the other thing I was going to say as far as the VA benefits is with an FHA loan, which is another government loan, you have a monthly mortgage insurance. So with the VA loan, you don't have that. So you don't have to worry about, having to pay, if you do have to pay the VA funding fee along with the monthly VA, along with monthly insurance. So with an FHA, another type of government loan, you not only have the mortgage insurance premium, but you also have the monthly mortgage insurance, which you have to pay on that every month, depending upon if you buy it out or not. So again, I really feel that if you are going for a VA loan, make sure that you get your DD-214 ready. If you're no longer serving, they're going to require that. The thing about government loans, in case you didn't know, you always have to include an escrow account. So that's that's property taxes and homeowners insurance. And also with the VA loan, the great thing is once you're in the VA loan, if you're seen on, like, let's say the news, or let's say you did the loan with me, I'll more than likely call you and say, hey, great news, the rates have gotten even better. At that point, you can do what's called a VA IRRRL. And what that does is allows you to do a simple refinance where sometimes, depending upon if you qualify for this, you don't have to show your income documents. And sometimes you can also get an appraisal waiver. So again, those are the key factors with the VA loan. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you're new here, I would ask you to consider subscribing to my channel. I'll definitely have some other videos on, again, buying, refinancing, and selling. And if you have any suggestions on videos as far as ideas or questions that you're not sure about, whether it has to do with buying, selling, or refinancing, go ahead and message me, and I definitely will make sure and upload a video based upon that subject. So again, thank you so much for watching. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.